Hello. Today I will tell you how to fix YouTube login problems on your smart TV. If you want to see more of these practical guide videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started right away. First of all, YouTube login problems are usually caused by connection or account verification problems. First, check your TV's internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and connection is stable. If there is a problem, try restarting your modem. If the connection problems are resolved, try closing and reopening the YouTube app. Sometimes this simple step can fix temporary errors. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app, as an older version can cause login problems. Another solution is to sign in using an activation code. Open the YouTube app on your TV and select the sign in option. You will see an activation code on the screen. Write this code down somewhere. Then go to YouTube Activate page on your phone or computer. Sign in with your Google account and verify your device by entering the code you see on the TV screen in the relevant field. This usually fixes the problem. If you still can't sign in, check your TV's date and time settings. An incorrect date or time can cause account verification issues with the apps like YouTube. Make sure to update your settings. Finally, check your TV software. Outdated software can cause incompatibility with apps like YouTube. Check for the system updates on your TV and install the latest version if available.